Programming is a language unlike any other spoken language. Programming too has varieties and its own complexities. While developing an application or program, a programmer needs to have the knowledge which language will support app development accurately. Or even if you are beginner in this field, you need to have the knowledge which language will understand the basics properly. So hey guys, myself Avin Patil, web development expert at DigiReload, wishing you a great day, and without any further delay, let's start about 7 programming languages a web developer must have. Hang up. First, JavaScript. The first on our list is JavaScript, designed by Brendan Eich in the year 1995. JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted, object-oriented language with first-class function and is best known as the scripting language for web pages. But it's used in many non-browser environments as well. It is a prototype-based, multi-paradigm scripting language that is dynamic and supports object-oriented, imperative, and functional programming styles. JavaScript is an easy to learn and also powerful scripting language, widely used for controlling web page behavior. Second one is Swift. Released in the year 2014, Swift is general purpose, multi-paradigm, compiled programming language developed by Apple Inc. and the open source community. Swift was developed as a replacement for Apple's previous programming language, Objective-C, which lacked modern language features. Swift is powerful, intuitive programming language for Mac OS, iOS, watchOS, tvOS, and beyond. It offers faster, easier, and safe development. The plus point is Swift is not just confined to developing Apple software and also used for Linux OS, mobile and desktop application, cloud services, and server-side programming. Third one is C++. C++ was developed by Jarne Strostrup. C++ is cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance application, and it offers a high level of control over system resources and memory. C++ is one of the world's most powerful programming languages, often termed as funny and easy to learn. C++ is object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development cost, which also means developing application that can be adapted to multiple platforms. Fourth one is Java, developed by James Gosling. Java, general purpose language, has been mainstay in the world of computer programming for more than 20 years. The popularity of Java can be understood by looking at some of these facts. 97% of enterprise desktops run Java. 89% of desktops or computers in the US run Java. 9 million Java developers worldwide. Java is the number one choice for developers. Java continues to be the most used development platform. 3 billion mobile phones run Java. The key to its popularity has been its write once, run everywhere philosophy. Theoretically, you can write Java software on any device, compile it into low-level machine code, and then execute it on any platforms that's equipped with a Java virtual machine. Fifth one is PHP. Created in 1994 by Rasmus Ledrop. Initially, PHP was simple set of common gateway interface. Binaries written in the C programming language. This server-side scripting language powers 83% of websites and has been a vital back-end tool for each giants like Facebook, Wikipedia, and Yahoo. If you did not know, PHP can also be used for many programming tasks outside of the web context, such as standalone graphical application and robotic drone control. It is easy to learn and is able to create powerful application, which is why it's program's favorite. Sixth one is Python. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white space. Python is perhaps the most user-friendly programming language of any on this list. It's often said that Python's syntax is clear, intuitive, and almost English-like, which, like Java, makes it popular choice for beginners. Also like Java, Python has a variety of applications that makes it versatile. powerful option when choosing the best programming language for your use case. 7.1 is Ruby. Ruby is interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. It was designed by and developed in the mid-1990s by Yukiro Matsumoto in Japan. Similar to Python, Ruby is dynamically typed and user garbage collection. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedure, object-oriented, and functional programming. Beginners often get drawn to Ruby because it has reputation for having one of the friendliest and most helpful user communities and user interface. So that's all from my side. Hope the video was informative and I may have been able to help you out in deciding right language for you. Though for a full stack web developer, whole knowledge is necessary. But to begin with, these were some of the few programming languages. That's how in signing off. Please do share the video, comment your views and subscribe our channel and visit digireader.com for more web development stories.